Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, herbalist, founder of Supernatural, and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a spiced sparkling mocktail for digestion. Some of the best ingredients for digestion are referred to as carminatives. And carminatives are things like cloves, allspice, cinnamon, ginger, even a little bit of black pepper. So one of the ways that they work is they help to relax smooth muscles in the digestive tract, and this can improve motility and ease cramps. Essential oils are also referred to as volatile oils, and all of these ingredients are high in those volatile oils or essential oils. The mint family is an example of a family of plants that's really high in these essential oils or volatile oils, and many members of the mint family are considered carminatives. So in addition to what I listed here, there's anise, basil, ginger, lemon, nutmeg. The list is very long. We also have citrus in this recipe, and specifically the peel of orange is considered a bitter. And digestive bitters are amazing for digestion. The bitter compounds in citrus peels and lots of other ingredients help to stimulate our own digestive juices, digestive enzymes, gastric HCl. That's hard to say. I'll say it one more time. Gastric HCl, and things that we need to digest and absorb our food properly. So using bitters, you can use it all day long, but especially before meals, is a great way to basically prime your body and wake up your digestion to get to work on that big meal that's to come. Foods are also bitters, so any kind of food that is bitter is acting as a digestive bitter to improve your digestion. So think arugula, mustard greens, the citrus peels. If it tastes bitter, even 100% cacao is a bitter. Coffee is a bitter. So now you're finding bitters at common places like bars where they're being added to drinks. And speaking of drinks, let's make ours. Our first step is to make an herbal syrup. And this is something that is super simple to make and you'll have leftover when you do make it. So this can be made ahead of time. It can be stored in your fridge. It can be something that you have on hand throughout the season and add to lots of different recipes. So first, we are going to add some water to a stovetop pot. And you can add as much or as little as you want, but you will be reducing it by about half. So make sure that there's enough water in the pot that you can reduce it and have a good amount for your syrup. Maybe aim for 2 cups, knowing that you'll reduce it to 1 cup. So next up, we want that good orange peel for digestion. So we are just going to peel it and toss the peel into the pot. If possible, organic is best in this case since we are using the peel, and that's where we can get a lot of sprays and pesticides. This will also make your house smell amazing as it's simmering and all of those essential oils are diffusing into your place. It's really fun to make before people come over too, because then your house smells like a holiday. Now we'll add some ginger. So I'm using fresh. You can also use powdered. Any type is great. And if you have some of these ingredients, but not all of them, that's totally fine. You can add whatever you have on hand, whatever you like. This one has a lot of room for freestyling. All right, so spices, I have cinnamon, and again, no need to measure, just kind of sprinkling it in there. Nutmeg, you can use pumpkin pie spice, cloves, nutmeg. Did I say nutmeg already? I think I did. Maybe I said allspice. These are our good cloves. Just a couple of those. And then I like to add just a crack of black pepper, totally optional, but highly advised. Okay, so now we just let this simmer and you want to reduce it down by about half so you get a really good spiced concentrate. You might want to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. Depends on how much water you've added in there, but about 20 is a good amount of time to reduce it and then also have a home full of good smelling spices. 20 minutes later, our mixture is nice and concentrated, and we just want to pour it into a mixing bowl so that we can add one more ingredient. It smells so good. Once you've poured your mixture into a bowl, we're going to add a little bit of sweetener while it's warm, and that's the syrup, part of our syrup, and then set it aside and let it cool. You can let it cool for, half an hour or something like that, or you can just pop it in your fridge, which is what I like to do, and then you'll have that nice concentrated, cool, spiced syrup to use whenever you want. So I'm going to add some maple syrup to this. Delish. And whisk. All right, so your mixture is now room temperature or cooler, and all we have to do is assemble our mocktail. So let's start with some ice, and then we're gonna dip into our delicious spiced syrup here. Add that. You can add as much or as little as you want. I like to do a couple of good tablespoons per drink. Yum, I kind of just wanna drink that. And then we're going to top it with some sparkling water. And garnish however you like. I love to use dried oranges, so we get a little bit more of that digestive bitter with the citrus peel. I also love to use cinnamon sticks. These go a long way for flavor and vision. Here we have our spiced sparkling mocktail for digestion. This is so great to have throughout the holidays, especially with those big meals. Aim to drink this before your meal or with it. That will allow all of these herbs and spices and ingredients to work for you best. Cheers. So good, yum. I just wanna drink the whole thing. I love this recipe because you get to have these holiday spices that you typically find only in warm ingredients, hot toddies and recipes. And this is a cool sparkling version of that. I just love it. Thanks so much for watching today. Let us know if you'd like to see more videos about digestion or any of these ingredients. To never miss a video, subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel. For more herbalism, follow me on Instagram, and happy digesting.